Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
I thought my mic is not working. Good morning, Alvin Benny. Still he's stuck. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So attendance. Aditya Raj.
Present, ma'am.
So what are the different switching techniques, Alvin Benny?
Circuit switching
Yes, you're right.
and
Uh,
circuit switching.
no, circuit switching you have already told. Next.
Ah, next, um, packet switching, message switching.
Okay, very good. Now, you tell me, explain what is networking and advantages and disadvantages. Yes, Alvin, come on. You haven't prepared, Alvin?
Ma'am, I did not hear. And seven for
Yesterday I have told you to take as a
uh,
seminar what is network.
uh, network and advantages and disadvantages
Yes,
of
yes,
network.
yes, yes.
Uh,
You can explain that
it,
now.
no. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Uh, Network. A computer network is a collection of interconnected computer and other devices which are able to communicate with each other. Advantages of network. Advantages of network are resource sharing, cost saving, collaborative user interface, time saving, increased storage. Disadvantages of internet network. Sorry. If network are badly managed, services can become unusable and productivity fails. If software and files held centrally, it may not be possible to carry out any work if the central server fails. File security is more important, especially if connected to WAN, wide area network. To handle network of organizations, you may need specialist staff to run the network. These are the advantages and
Okay, you were
disadvantages.
reading from the screenshot, I guess.
Uh,
Ma'am, Ashwin is waiting.
And what is that collaborative user?
Collaborative user interface.
Collaborative user?
Interface.
Is it interface? What is it? Achha, what is it? Collaborative?
Oh, user interaction.
User interaction. There is much difference. How much difference between collaborative interaction and interface?
Sorry.
Ashwin, present. Okay. So what is Ashwin? What is packet switching?
In packet switching, the entire message is broken into smaller pieces called packets, which are transmitted over a network without any resource being allocated.
Okay. breathless song. It's like that. Achud, what is message switching?
Data is first stored, then it is transmitted to the recipient.
Where it is stored?
The internet.
In
Main memory.
main memory. Dia, what is circuit switching?
First, a physical connection is made between the computers, then data is forwarded.
Okay. And which switching is used by internet for transferring data from one place to another through internet? Which type of
Packet.
switching is used, Emmanuel?
Once more, ma'am.
What kind of switching is used in internet technique?
Circuit switching.
Oh no, it is packet switching. It is packet. For the big data, or the data is divided into packet. For that, one protocol is used, that is TCP. And to route the data to the destination, another protocol is used, IP. That is why all your systems has this address, IP address, because this data is transferred in the form of packets. IP address you have. So to get the destination, this protocol use IP protocol use the IP address of your mobile phone or your PC. Understood? So that you have to study later, TCP/IP protocol. So that protocol uses IP address. Okay. How to find out the IP address of your system, your computer? Have you any idea how to get the IP address?
No, ma'am.
No. To get the IP address, you have to type CMD, command prompt. Here, CMD, command prompt. Take command prompt, and you type the keyboard. IP config. IPv6 address, IPv4 address. Many types of IP address are there. There are two types of IP address. One is IPv4. That also you have to study later.
Ma'am, but IP address can change, right?
No, the router, the modem IP address will not change. That the IP address provided by the internet service providers, they don't change. That address won't be changed if you are if you are using, many systems are using internet. Okay, many systems are using internet under the same IP. Actually, when you get an internet connection through a broadband, say Kerala Vision, they are providing you with an IP address for you. That IP address actually is for one system they are providing. If you are using Wi-Fi connection or you are using multiple connections from the router, you can see different slots. Then this is the duty of router to provide you different IP address to your mobile phone, to your computers. Okay, there will be a change, but that router's IP, it won't be changed. But router will be deciding the IP address of the different systems.
No, ma'am, but in the settings there is an option like change my IP address
If
request.
you that IP address can be changed only few digits. I mean, the starting and all you can't change. Maybe only the end part we can change. And there's a restriction. That's why there's an IP4 and IPv6. So here it is given this link local IPv6 address is a hexadecimal address. It's like a MAC address that we will be studying later. This is the IPv4 address. That is the IP address of the system 169.254.235.18. Okay. See the Ethernet adapter for internet connection, everything is used. And when you search for speed test, you can see the result. In the result, you can see packets, uploading packets, downloading packets, something like that. That means your internet is using packet switching in order to transfer data from one place to another. Okay. Now let's move on to the terminologies of networking. The first one is channel, second one is data transfer rate. What is a channel? What is a channel? Through which the data is passed. That particular thing is called channel. It can be a wired medium or wireless medium. Communication channel. What about that voice? How it is passing? What is the channel? What is the medium it is using? Voice signals. Which medium? Hello? Which medium? That question is based on physics. Which medium your voice signals are using?
Waves.
No, what is a medium? Waves? Okay, it's waves. Even electrical signals, waves.
Through the wires.
Voice signal. A voice signal. No. You are standing near to me and I'm talking to you. Then how are you hearing it? What is the medium? And that time, what is the medium? Air. Air is the medium, isn't it? So all the signals, whether it is voice signal, video signals, electrical, all are signals. So if signal is there, the unit of that is, what is that unit of? Frequency. Again, physics heads.
Hertz.
Hertz.
So that is what you can say it in two ways. One is how much data is transferred through the medium in bit per second, because it's digital data. The other one is through the channel, what is the capacity of the signal? How much data can be transferred as signals? Then that is called bandwidth. So it's the same thing, but in different units. It's like volt and watt. So it's bandwidth and data transfer rate. Hertz, kilohertz, megahertz. The frequency unit we use. Then what is bandwidth and what is data transfer rate? The proper definition you will see the next coming slides. But these two things are related to the channels, communication channels. Wired or wireless, whatever it is, these two things are used. If it is wired, electrical signals. If it's wireless, electromagnetic waves. But again, this frequency comes and bandwidth comes and data transfer rate comes. Okay. What is a channel? A channel, normally channel means the physical medium. A wire. That is called normally a channel, but can be wireless also. And can be analog or digital. And another question, Aditya Raj, voice signal is analog or digital?
Analog.
Analog. Or what about computer? The signal is digital. So the transmission channel can be analog or digital. So digital systems, digital signals, analog systems, analog signals. This is the medium when you say about a normal medium in physics. What is a medium? When it comes to network terminology, the medium means path over which data is sent or received. So when the question is asked, you have to write this answer. Path over which data is sent or received is called data channel. It can be a tangible physical medium like copper wire, that is conductors, or broadcast medium like radio waves, that is electromagnetic waves. Have you studied the electromagnetic spectrum? 11th standard. So based on the frequency, we are dividing it into different ways. So all these kinds of waves are used for wireless transmission. Arjun is wondering, am I studying physics? So the physics period feels like an idea. Huh? Computer science is actually it's a game of mathematics plus these kinds of things. So little bit physics, a little bit chemistry, everything will be there. But basically it's maths.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so we can say fiber optics is also
Yes, medium.
medium type.
It's a medium. It's signal. It's signal. So here, just for example, just give a copper wire. It can be light signals also. Because optical fiber is transmitting data in the form of light signals. So that's also an example. That's a medium. Then what is bandwidth? Data transfer rate in hertz. That is called bandwidth. Sorry, that is data transfer rate is called bandwidth. It can be of 2 units. You can say it in hertz or you can say it in bits per second. So when you say it in hertz, it's a range of frequency. When you say it in bits per second, it is the data rate, data per second. So the bandwidth in hertz, the units are hertz, kilohertz, megahertz. Next will be gigahertz. Here bandwidth in bits per second, kilobits per second, megabits per second, etc. It is not bytes per second. That's wrong. It has bits per second. If it is byte, you have to write capital B. Or you need to write complete spelling. Bytes per second. If small letter b, that means bits per second. That many bits can be transferred. So what's the meaning if it is 20 megabits per second? 20 into 1024 into 1024 bits per second can be, that is the speed per second. Hope you understood. That's why you're studying 11th standard, the different units of data. That is bits, 8 bits are called as 1 byte. Then 1024 byte is called as 1 megabyte. Okay. When it comes to speed, you will say per second. When it comes to memory capacity, that many bytes of capacity the hard disk or RAM can store. This is the data rate again. Kilobits per second, megabits per second, gigabits per second, terabits per second. So if you convert into bits, what will be this? 1 kilobits per second means it's what is it? The number you have to convert into bits. Mega, giga, tera, like your memory capacity. Gigabits per second.
Ma'am, can you show the
Previous slide. I was thinking, Achal will ask me the same thing. What is already I have showed in the previous slide. That's why just moved. Ashwin, utilization of maximum resources in internet. Anyways, I am getting 20 megabits per second, isn't it, Ashwin? So maximum resources you need to use, not only Zoom, many other resources, so that you can use the internet efficiently. Huh? Okay. Next heading, you write. Okay, before that, Ashwin, what is bandwidth?
Ma'am, data transfer rate that can be supported by network is called bandwidth.
What is the unit?
Hertz.
Hertz. What does data? What is bit per second? What is the meaning bits per second? Krishnandran. Krishna Chandran, who's so kind. Tell me.
Seconds.
I can't hear anything.
Number of data elements sent in a second.
Number of data elements sent. A second. Okay. Okay. Now, next topic is communication media. Write down. Communication media. So what are the different two types of communication medias? One is wired and another one is wireless. First, let's see wired communication media, wired. In the computer lab, what kind of wire is used? Any idea? The computer lab? Any idea what kind of wire is used? Is it twisted pair or coaxial or optical fiber? Say something, anyone. Anyways, it's not optical fiber. Then the other two. Gauri. It is twisted pair cable is used. You can see the twisted pair in the computer lab. When you go next time to the computer lab,
Ma'am, copper.
no, there are three types of cables mainly: twisted, pair, coaxial, and optical fiber. In twisted pair and coaxial, we use copper wires itself because it's the conductor, the most suitable conductor. But in the computer lab, twisted pair cables are used. So you can see the different wires inside. Also, you can see like twisted. It is twisted. That's why it's called as twisted pair cable. Pairs are twisted. Okay, so what are the different wired mediums? One is twisted pair cable, then coaxial, then optical fiber.
Ma'am, coaxial.
Coaxial, coaxial.
No, other two.
Coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, or fiber optical. Both will say optical fiber.
Ma'am, one more was there. Total three were there, right?
Optical fiber.
I got coaxial and optical fiber, which is the third one.
Twisted. The first one you need to write twisted because this is in the ascending order of speed and ascending order of cost. So the least cost has, who has the least cost? What kind of medium? Twisted pair. Okay. Then coaxial, then optical fiber. What about the price? The lowest price for coaxial, then in between twisted pair, then coaxial, then optical fiber. Speed wise, less speed is twisted pair, then coaxial, then optical fiber. When the speed increases, the price also increases directly proportional. So let's see what are the different types and why there's a division. What are the different things as used, and this diagram also is there. So there can be question, a 2-mark question for your board examination. What is the difference between twisted pair cable and coaxial cable? What is the difference between, that can be one question. And one application based question, this person is planning to connect from his one office to another office or in different systems. What kind of medium is used, which is the best medium, coaxial twisted pair. So based on this theory, you need to write the answer. That is how the questions will. That will be a 1-mark question. Wired and wireless. Twisted pair, coaxial, fiber optical cable. Then when it comes to wireless media, we have radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, and satellite. Through all these waves which you can see in the electromagnetic spectrum, all these waves can be used for communication in the network. So next one is, the first cable is twisted pair cable. So since the speed is very less, the cost is very low. These are used for small computer network. Okay. So how many twisted pair? You can see a twisted. See, twisted. The same thing you can see in the computer lab, because the insulator is gone from few systems, so you can directly see this twisted pairs. 4 twisted pair in different colors. Then an insulator cover. One, two, three, four. The rest we will see the next video. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.